The MLA of North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrum, has expressed surprise over his recent expulsion along with 4 other party members from the Voice of the People's Party VPP. Speaking to the media today, Nongrum revealed that ahead of the 2025 MDC elections, he had requested a discussion with VPP President Arden Basayomoy involving all 5 members. However, the party leadership allegedly denied them any opportunity for dialogue and instead proceeded with their suspension, which Nongrum sees as a clear step toward outright expulsion from the party. The MLA has also voiced concerns over the impact of the VPP's decision on the people of North Shillong, stating that the move could affect his constituents. However, he emphasized that any future course of action on his part would be guided by the will of the people he represents.
Ndai ngasu songlong lingo pat bakum ka party ka ba kelim ba ka party jong pai ba Voice of the People Party amara kipor kibadang hasua election nanang dep ya ka ban yakran ba di president Badon Borom jong ka VPP bangong tokhot no si yang isangut ngin yakran laga di mentang inwan laga di lasayan inwan kawi kalong ba ngikwa pan pendep kiki bro namar ba nginum la asyu bangin compromise mo nginum la asyu bangin nang do no ya kata kala klenti banai ke jingkermen ya ke jabnriu ngim ko asyu ta ke jepat ke jepara mo iko pan punkut ya kini kiki tinri hati ki por kadi so election ti president brom yong am don por ngim don por tengong hnrei ladang idei hoi ka por ka lingkot ti por klampep kidei ki ba Kapten present bateri sistem berokui kari kesti janti yang ngi kata ngi sotu nrei pat ka bakam hakamat du ka bakam crowd du kadai kata ka bangin kendu la kadai tang sikentan akan ta kalabiang tenrei kam semala ban long tiga pui adu put uba ngi du ngla show up no tikumbai Dr. Batskem beri spokesperson jongka VPP 8 pau bai ka kam jong ba dal bot sai karen ladep KMDC temu kadai gani ka bala 8 pau bakla bu lupa ya kata ka rai kaslong bakin 4 pau pa ba mayo ka kata pa election nada sim nunu ka action yanga ti nrei ngapan pau pa kajing sulingo ka bakrao ka kendit hoi kila ai ka sukos in writing ngarong ai in writing likum lu ki hun ken habang na don bentalang ban pelong do long senam ya ka sing VPP ka Voice of the People Party kani kajing suspend ka jong ki license kani indirectly bakla be nga Ndai tama ko pekin mau tani kawai ba kumanga pekin mau bang ko ban rung sa ka party ka banganum ko ban miso stang na don ka daw ba mo ko makasong ka song don ka daw ba la dengan dia neto apo yung mani ani dia beto apo ko du don ka daw ba ni hab ni khalat tuwat ka seng VP ru ndai hadu menta ngampat pediang hoi karai ka bagi maki ka bagi ong baka no one is above the party tenrai ngapa asko nong tani kawai hangala de party na kade ka constitution na when it comes to an issue mo ka jingtip lami ka kraw bunsha bane kata ka an ka busito ka mga nong naktinongwi consciousness is far greater than the written law ngapa ko iban keren sibon kani nganang ko iban keren nganang puson manta nomor kade ka Voice of People ngam ko asyu ban keren ei sapang jongki ngam kwa ban keren age pangjonga dengan kwa makeren tangki ki ban ajing sai ban bet tang yo to sembai ke jing sai sagi pat ba bakin duk sutu ma di Voice of the People Party teninga sukhya man siam ki ba yet ki bathon ki ba layo ka khat prasnem ka karta na po constituency ki jonga ki ba de po constituency ba buran sabar constituency ki bam paju kriya namar klayo ya ta jing it ba ka jing shanya nanga kunum ikmat ban ngarung layo ta jing it jing shanya naki nakawai election adu samtali election but MDC but MLA ngalayan claim compromise yaki issue ngako ban ong yaki bakinum sudiaw mansim wada ka party indirectly kala be nga nrei wada dang mio issue ban keren haga kerteng jok Voice of the People Party nrei nganang yai keren pat haga kerteng jok Voice of the People